I am starting the 1-month preparation kit on HackerRank. Without wasting any time, let's start. So, here is our first problem. It's called a plus-minus problem, where you have to calculate the ratios of the elements of an array that are positive, negative, and 0. There can be many approaches to this problem. First of all, initializing the variable total, which will contain the total number of elements in the array. Similarly, initializing the positive, negative, and 0 variable. The for loop will iterate through each element. Each element will pass through the if condition and will be compared to 0. If the element equals to 0, the counter 0 will be incremented by 1. Similarly, if the element is greater than 0, the counter positive will be incremented and so on. After finding the number of positive, negative, and 0 elements, simply divide the counters by total number of elements. That will return us the ratios of each element. The important requirement of the problem is that we want to print the decimal up to 6 digits, so I am using float data type. We can also include %f if we want to print the data up to specific number of decimals. I have already executed the test cases, but here we go again. And there you go, all test cases passed. Have a good day. We'll meet you on the next problem.